How do you sell an old house in Nashville that needs work? Ever since I can remember, I've heard sellers telling me I can't sell my house because it needs work, or an agent told me I have to fix up my house before they can sell it. Well, that may be true. Many agents don't want to try to sell a house that needs work because they don't know how. They don't know any buyers who are looking, or because it's just extra work that they don't want to do. So as a seller, what do you do if your house needs a little work or even a lot of work and you need to sell quickly? Buying Houses Nashville specializes in working with sellers like this. We sit down and we listen to your situation, and then we create a custom plan to get that old house that needs work off of your shoulders. It can be overwhelming looking at all the projects and maintenance a house needs. Owning a house is tough, especially in uncertain times. And if you've decided it's time to sell, we're here to help. Click the link or call us today. You'll be glad you did.